Are you missing WhatsApp missed call notifications on your iPhone? This can happen due to notification settings, app permissions, or software glitches. But don't worry folks, in this advanced video I'm gonna show you how you can fix WhatsApp missed call notifications not showing problems on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you turned off Do Not Disturb mode. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try airplane mode on and off. Solution 1. Check iPhone notification settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Notifications. Now tap Show Previews. Make sure to choose Always Here. Then go back. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap WhatsApp. Now enable the Allow Notifications. Next, make sure to enable the lock screen, notification center, and banners alerts. Now restart your iPhone and then see whether it's solved or not. Solution 2. Check WhatsApp notification settings. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap the settings icon below. Scroll down a little bit. Tap Notifications. Make sure to enable all the settings except the clear badge. Still, if your issue persists, tap Reset Notification Settings from the bottom. Tap Reset. It will reset all your WhatsApp notification settings. That's all. This is how you can fix WhatsApp missed call notifications not showing problems on your iPhone. If this video helped, let me know in the comments. Got questions? Feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.